Did you know that a fundamental change is coming to your salary structure? A change that redefines your salary's very foundation. It might slightly reduce your monthly take-home pay, but in return, it promises to make your financial future stronger and more secure than ever before. India's new labor codes are a historic reform. Over 29 old, fragmented laws have been consolidated into 4 new unified codes. And at the very heart of this change is one universal, precise definition of wages. A single definition that will now apply uniformly across every law and every industry. For decades, a complex web of different wages definitions caused immense confusion and legal disputes. Often, to reduce statutory benefits like provident fund and gratuity, salaries were creatively structured, a very low basic pay and very high allowances. But now, that era has come to an end. The new law introduces a master principle, the 50% proviso. This rule states that your core wages, meaning basic pay, dearness allowance, and any retaining allowance, must be at least 50% of your total remuneration. This means all specified exclusions like HRA, conveyance, and statutory bonus cannot exceed 50% of your total remuneration. And if they do, the excess amount, the amount above that 50% limit, will be deemed as remuneration and added right back into your core wages. So what is the impact? It is profound and it affects everyone. For the employee, it means your 12% PF contribution will now be calculated on a much larger amount. So yes, your immediate take-home salary might see a small reduction, but this creates a forced savings discipline. Your retirement savings will grow faster, and your gratuity, which is based on your last drawn wages, will be calculated on this new, higher amount, ensuring a significantly larger payout for your years of service. This is a clear victory for long-term security over short-term cash in hand. For employers, this means an increase in operational costs. Their matching 12% PF contribution and their gratuity liability will both rise. But in return, they receive unprecedented clarity, simplification, and a powerful reduction in legal disputes. This new law establishes the powerful principle of substance over form. It means it no longer matters what an allowance is called. What matters is what it is. This brings new trust and financial discipline to the entire employer-employee relationship. This change is not just a legal update, it is a promise of a better, more secure, and economically strong future. A future where every employee's hard work is transparently and powerfully invested in their long-term security.